Hello people, so this is alternate route. We are going for a road practice, and this is downtown Saskatoon. So I'm here with a very good driver, and she's gonna show you how to pass the road test. All right, let's go.
All right, so we're backing up. We're looking behind, check all our mirrors to ensure that no one is coming. There's a vehicle coming, but he's waiting on us, so we can go.
Right at the end of the alley, let's make it left turn.
All right, indicator for left turn, shoulder check, make our left turn.
Okay, at the end of the alley, let's make a right turn.
We're making a right turn, put on our indicator. Remember to always shoulder check. There is traffic on the road. You've shoulder check. No one is coming.
We'll make a left turn at the next intersection.
Left turn, stop sign. So we stop at the stop sign. Unfortunately, we indicated late. Anyway, we stopped for 3 seconds. We're rolling out. There is a vehicle coming, so we're gonna wait. 2 vehicles coming in opposite direction. Person just indicated. All right, so vehicle coming on the same roadway. We're waiting for them. Inch out a little bit more because there are vehicles blocking our view. All right, looks like we can probably enter the roadway safely. Let's do this. All right, speed limit is 50. Want to get our speed up to at least 45, so we're at 45. Trying to maintain that speed.
We'll clear this first intersection. At the second intersection, we'll make a left turn.
Okay, so we're going straight through this first intersection. We're at a red light now, so we're slowing down. We're going to turn right at the next intersection.
Left.
Left, confirming. Left. Okay. Pay attention.
The rain kind of stopped.
I'm not even paying attention to that. That is the least of my problems.
Yeah.
It's traffic hours, so the road is full of traffic. Alright, so we're going straight. And we're going to turn left. So once we clear this intersection here, and once we get to the unbroken line for the lane, indicate, shoulder check, enter the lane. All right, going. There is no one. We're not seeing any pedestrian. We can turn. Almost the same thing again.
And the shoulder check. Okay, we'll clear this intersection. And
There is intersection.
We'll make a right turn.
Make a right turn. So I forgot to shoulder check. It's been my challenge. Always shoulder check. Light is on green, go through. Once you clear, put on an indicator and shoulder check, and check your mirrors and enter the lane. This is actually 3 lanes, so we're going to shoulder check again and go over. Remember to shoulder check again and enter.
Second intersection is a left turn.
Second intersection, there's a left turn. As soon as you clear the intersection, put on the indicator, check your mirrors, check your shoulders, enter lane. My belly's hungry.
What a
Wagwan.
Wagwan. My
Isaiah. All right, so we're gonna clear this intersection here. All right, we've cleared it. Indicators on. Shoulder check. Enter. Oi. We're turning left up here. You wanna check our mirrors, check our shoulders, enter. We're going into the pedestrian line here, and we have pedestrians crossing. All right, they will have to stop. You can enter safely. Turn. Never shoulder check. Jeez and peace. Sorry. Alright. I'm not learn. I'm honestly not learn. I'm gonna take me a learn. I'm not learning. I can't believe this is the one thing that I've been doing wrong and I'm still not improving. Can we cut? It's so embarrassing. Don't use the audio.
Nice student, but
she have issues.
She have issues. Yeah.
Her head tough.
All right, at the stop sign, we'll make left turn.
Stop sign, left turn. This stop sign has a pedestrian crossing, so you have to not stop on the pedestrian crossing, but stop before, which is right here. Boom. In the meantime, while we're scanning, we're looking to see if any oncoming vehicle is going. I don't know what you're doing with that.
Signal is what I'm doing with that.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, let's probably park behind the SUV in front. This one. Signal as you approach the vehicle, slide closer to the vehicle a little bit.
I don't know, I think I'm just too nervous or something. I do all kind of stupid things. Why do I feel like my park so far? That look weird. Is there a curve right there?
Yep.
Is there a curve?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it so?
Like the road is slanting, you know what?
Oh, like look in the mirror here. It doesn't look like I'm so far.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because your front is a little. Yeah.
Oh, the back. Oh, Lord. Okay.
Yep. All right, let's drive off.
You be like a worthless student.
So you ought to have the signal on.
Should have had the signal on?
Yep.
Even though I'm not
Yes, to
going
signal that you are pulling back so that you can enter the
So
road.
what signal shows
The signal
that you're pulling
enters
back?
the road. Because you are entering the road as your next action, so that's what you want to signal.
Shoulder check, mirror check.
Right, we'll make a left turn on the next intersection.
Left turn, remember your shoulder check. Always say it, but when the chance comes to turn, don't remember to do it. Remember it's a stop sign, stop. And observe. You have 3 seconds. Stop, observe. 1, 2, 3, this lady's gonna cross here. You can go straight because she's gonna cross and wait on her. Alright, she cleared the road. Should I have waited a bit more?
Should have checked. Second intersection is a right turn.
Jasmine, why y'all laugh? You're supposed to be reprimanding me. So I will learn. You're not reprimanding me. I'm reprimanding myself, I know. Yeah. I'm still not learning. My head tough. There is no brain. It's just water.
Drinking water?
Can't
I'm kind of thirsty right now.
On my way home, I will.
We'll make a right turn at the next intersection.
Is this person turning or the park? At the park.
It seems so.
Shoulder check. Don't enter the bicycle lane. Wait, these persons are going to cross. We have to wait on them.
So, ordinary they shouldn't cross until the light changes. I said ordinary they shouldn't cross until...
Yeah, but these people are very unpredictable. I need to say that too.
Yeah.
They're very unpredictable, so I will just wait. Can I say that? Huh?
No.
I can't wait. So then we go.
Focus. Road is clear. Focus. Road is clear.
But this man is going to cross.
He's not crossing. He's standing. He's standing.
But
right?
there is.
The road is clear.
Okay.
Right now, what you're doing is hesitation. It's 5 points. You are losing by doing that. You need to be more alert than what you just did right now. So, at the next intersection, we're going to make a left turn.
Shoulder check.
Yeah, good one.
Oh boy. I'm praying when I come, if they do take me, there's nobody standing at that corner, because that corner is going to be the death of me.
No, it won't. You know what to do, you just need to be aware and do it.
Listen, the man is standing there. I don't know what he's doing.
He's standing, he's not moving. The man is standing. Get that clear. The man is standing, he's not moving.
Shoulder check. And I should have gone. Oh boy. It's not one thing, it's the next. Alright, he's turning. I did shoulder check this time, but I had not hesitated. I could have gone, but I didn't.
In this case, this is not that kind of hesitation that you'll be penalized for. We'll make a right turn.
Indicator.
So if this road construction were not here, you would be turning from the other lane.
Yeah, I would have gone in, but then I have no choice here because it's closed, right?
Yep.
Shoulder check and I turn.
If you hit any of these cones, you failed your test, right?
Yeah, I was far away from the cone.
Yep.
But I was concerned about the gentleman, whether he was going to come out or what was he going to do.
Yeah, that was a good one. I noticed that too, which was good.
Did she cross the road?
No, she wouldn't cross.
Why? Sometimes people just walk out in a light. Where is it? You need to shoulder check.
We'll make a right turn at the intersection.
Shoulder check. Shoulder check again. And turn. Remember the bicycle lane. Don't lick nobody.
We'll make a right turn here.
Is there a bicycle lane here? No. Remember the stop sign?
I was going to say it because you said it the other time and you repeated it now.
Yeah, well. Shoulder check. Stop sign. So you ought to stop. Oh. 1, 2, 3. You know, don't stress. All right, you can't see nobody. Yep. Oh, it's clear, I think, but I don't want to go because can't really see.
You can't really go before this vehicle, right?
I can't go.
Because you really can't see with him there.
Yeah, I actually can see right here.
You can see so much.
Yeah, that's all right.
Right?
There's nobody coming right now. It's clear.
Where you are on the steering.
Shoulder check.
Boom! Right on to the SGI parking lot.
Oh, shoulder check. Somebody is turning. We gotta wait. Okay. And we're going home.
Taking every parking lot.
I'm going home I'm gonna come back and practice my shoulder check and my left shoulder check.
All right, so here we are. What do you think of this driver? Do you like her driving?
No, listen, this is not gonna go anywhere.
If you do, please tell us in the comment section.
No!